Boy, I done seen some sick shit in my life. I drank my own urine twice. What in the fuck? What the fuck? Ah, Connor Murphy, you are fucking. For the same exact reason, I also consume a small amount of my feces daily. This is a sick motherfucker. I swear to God. I didn't want to believe that. You mean to tell me Connor Murphy is drinking his own piss twice a day? And at the same goddamn time, he eats a little bit of his feces daily. You know that biological chemical sludge that come out of your ass? And that technically biological chemical that come out of your dick, well, your urethra. Anyway. I thought it was bad enough that the man ingested semen from old Nikolai, his little like, in my opinion, his booty buddy. But now the man is actively drinking bodily fluids and eating biochemical bodily discharge warfare out of the anal cavity. And he seems to enjoy it. If it makes him happy, then more power to him. But if I were you, Connor Murphy, I'll go get my noggin checked because, brother, I don't know if it's a skit. I don't know what your agenda is, but you a brave son of a bitch. I will give you that. But there's no way in the fucking hell I'm going to ingest bodily fluids of any kind, or eat, or digest or ingest any form of feces. I don't give a fuck if it's some gnat shit. I don't want it. Anyway, I had to make a quick video about that. Get some help. Help yourself.